Hey everyone, so the other night we were at the store and I decided to get this banana bread mix. We've never made it before, so I figured it would be something new to make. And also,
What do you want to do with it?
I wanted to make it for my class.
You want to take some for your friends?
Mhm. And also, Dad made some grilled chicken tonight. It was really yummy.
There you go. Same seasonings as last time. It's always a good hit.
It is. Alright, I'm going to get started by pouring the water in the bananas.
How much?
1/3 of a cup.
Alrighty.
And then I'm going to crack the egg in here. Should I do it over the...
Here, let me have you get your sleeves up so we don't...
Well, that one squirted.
I don't think you even cracked it except for sticking your finger in it.
Well, I got it. Only one little piece of shell was lost.
Alrighty.
Hold on.
Oh, I see the tiny shell way back there.
And right here. There we go. Alright, I'll clean. Alright, I'm gonna put the egg in here and then I'm gonna mix everything together. I'll never use this.
Yes, you got me.
Sorry. I've never used it.
Alright, there you go. That's fine.
That should be good.
Just leave it like, don't take it all the way out. Just kind of leave it like this because you're going to have to mix the powder in and then mix it all up.
Yeah.
You can do it with a fork if you had, you know, the strength and all. I just figured you would get too tired doing it, so.
After I put the powder in, do I mix it the same way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna have to get a pair of scissors. Can't get that open.
Hey, let me, hang on, look. Your video, hold the phone.
I got it.
Look, if you hold it, both sides. There we go.
Alright, good job.
Thank you. All right, so you.
Oh.
Okay, just lay that down. Oh, well, that's fine.
Alright.
So you don't want to. If you started that down in the powder, you'd have a puff of powder. We're gonna have to start taking off your jackets ahead of time. I know you're cold-natured.
So what do I do?
So just kind of like do a little, you know, like a little stir to kind of mix it up a little. So you're not starting like with a puff of cloud or whatever of white powder. All right, now you can do it. Now it just didn't all powder. You should be okay. Tool there, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I have to give you some weights to work out, aren't I?
Maybe.
All right, let's see. You got it. You're almost there. It's probably done now. Well, she got me to help her. I'm going to hold her bowl since it's kind of heavy, and I'm going to let her scrape out the contents.
Diesel.
He likes to get into these videos, doesn't he? Somehow.
I got some on my finger.
You got some on your finger?
No, nothing spilled out. I thought it did.
No, they can't even see you.
Yeah. I'm gonna move that a little bit closer. A little too far. It's like banana pudding.
It smells so good.
It does. We never made banana pudding. I like banana pudding.
I've made it.
You made it? Oh.
Made it plenty of times.
Oh, I always thought that was my mom.
Well, now she probably makes it a lot too. I mean, I don't make it often, but your daddy does like it.
I like it too.
We might have to make it. That would be good. How are y'all doing? I haven't gotten in a video with you guys in a while, have I? I've been letting Kaitlyn run the show. I'm usually behind the camera now.
It looks pretty.
I may have overfloured my pan, but it'll be alright. Well,
May just be extra sweet or something. I don't know.
no, it just won't. Hopefully, won't stick.
Oh, yeah.
That's why we grease and flour it so the bread doesn't stick. So, well, all right. Let's see. Here we go. We're gonna stick it in the oven. How long?
For 350.
300. Well, no, that's the degrees.
Yeah, that's the degrees. For 45 to 50 minutes.
Good job. All right. Let's see. There we go.
Ooh, I'm getting nervous. This is a heavy pan.
Here, let me. I'll help you.
I don't want to burn my finger.
Okay.
Yeah. That's a good number. Alright, so we decided to add some chocolate chips because my class and we love chocolate. So,
So now
I added some chocolate chips.
And now we're adding chocolate chips. All right, it's out. She's not going to cut it, though. She wants to take it whole to her class, so she'll just have to tell y'all how it ended up being.